Why deep sleep is a biological necessity. Deep sleep isn't rest, it's maintenance, and without it, your brain slowly loses structural stability. You slept 7 hours, maybe even 8, but you wake up feeling incomplete, not exhausted, just not restored. You assume you slept enough, but your brain doesn't measure sleep in hours, it measures it in depth. If total sleep time is normal, why does everything still feel slightly off? What is deep sleep actually doing that light sleep can't? Deep sleep, also called slow-wave sleep, is characterized by synchronized, low-frequency brainwaves. During this stage, synaptic downscaling occurs, metabolic waste clearance increases, growth hormone release peaks, neural energy resets. Throughout the day, synapses strengthen, information accumulates, stimulation accumulates, neural load accumulates. Deep sleep trims unnecessary connections, it restores efficiency. Without sufficient slow-wave sleep, the brain becomes overloaded. Not immediately, but cumulatively. Research in sleep neuroscience shows slow-wave sleep is strongly associated with synaptic recalibration and glymphatic clearance. Reduced deep sleep over time correlates with increased cognitive decline risk markers. The relationship isn't speculative, it's structural. So, deep sleep isn't passive, it's active restoration. But there's another layer. What happens emotionally when deep sleep is reduced? You've felt this. After a poor night of deep sleep, small frustrations feel bigger. Patience shortens, focus narrows, stress tolerance drops. You didn't change, your regulatory capacity did. Deep sleep supports prefrontal restoration. The prefrontal cortex regulates emotion and impulse control. When slow-wave sleep is reduced, prefrontal efficiency decreases, amygdala reactivity increases, stress perception intensifies. Deep sleep also stabilizes metabolic signaling, it improves insulin sensitivity, regulates inflammatory tone, supports hormonal rhythm. Chronic reduction in deep sleep increases systemic strain, not because you feel tired, but because recovery cycles are incomplete. The brain expects periodic deep recalibration. When it doesn't receive it, instability becomes baseline. Deep sleep is biological maintenance. It resets neural efficiency, clears metabolic waste, stabilizes emotional regulation, supports long-term brain resilience. This isn't about perfection, it's about protecting the stage of sleep that protects you. Sleep quantity matters, but sleep depth defines recovery quality. Your brain doesn't need more hours, it needs structured restoration. If you want long-term clarity, emotional stability, and cognitive resilience, you have to understand the biology protecting it. Subscribe to Vera Human. We don't repeat advice, we explain the systems behind it.